I know my money is in good hands.
See, success is not easy. If it was easy, everyone will be successful.
Business is all about trust.
Look, I've put Mama's Street on the map, so now you can be located on the Ghana Post digital addressing system.
Why? I just don't have the time to sit and wait on you for 10 to 15 minutes. Whilst you peel your fruits, wash them, cut them, wrap them, package them, and all that.
You understand? But can you at least give us some time to think about it?
Yes, I'm pre-order pineapple. Pineapple, yeah.
We wouldn't want to do that, do we?
Well, this is a welcome opportunity, and we encourage as many local businesses as possible to take advantage of it.
And do believe that the quest to develop the motherland requires that all able hands be put on deck.
See you and your husband.
Ah, wow, really? Who recommended us? Please tell us so we can go say thank you to them first.
No. If I tell you, then I'm gonna have to kill you.
Who? What is this? I asked for meat and not fish.
Whether meat or fish, we are calling